This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming how the SD card is encrypted and why that matters. Device-level keys differ from file encryption. Start now by inserting the card into the original device if possible. The device holds the keys. Once done, back up any readable files to a PC or cloud so you don't lose data when keys are removed. Make sure you have the device unlock credentials and a compatible card reader on hand before proceeding to key export or decryption. Now you must extract the encryption key or decrypt the card on the device, because removing the card alone leaves data inaccessible. Access the device security or storage settings and follow the export or migrate key option. Vendors sometimes provide a utility for key backup. Alternatively, decrypt files on device to plain text and copy them off. Once finished, verify checksums or open random files to ensure backups are intact before any wipe, reformat, or transfer to a new card. Finish by safely ejecting the card once the key is exported or decryption completed. You do not want a corrupted card. Reformat the SD card using the appropriate file system, FAT32 or exFAT, via the device or PC. Choose full format to clear metadata and encrypted remnants. Then copy the decrypted backup onto the freshly formatted card and test files on the target device. If something fails, the key export likely failed. Reboot original device, repeat export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.